You might be asking yourself, can I open a TD account online? It's a question many of us ponder in our increasingly digital world. The convenience of handling our banking needs from the comfort of our homes or even on the go is incredibly appealing. Gone are the days when a trip to the physical branch was an absolute necessity for every single banking transaction. We're in an era where speed and accessibility are paramount, and financial institutions are constantly evolving to meet these demands. Think about it. Whether you're looking to set up your very first bank account, switch financial institutions, or simply open an additional account for a specific savings goal, the idea of doing it all with a few clicks is a game changer. No more rushing to make it to the bank before closing time, no more waiting in lines, and no more shuffling through piles of physical paperwork. It all sounds pretty ideal, right? So, let's dive into the core of the matter. Can you indeed open a TD account online? The short answer is, generally, yes. TD Bank, like many major financial institutions, has embraced the digital age and offers the convenience of online account opening for a variety of their products. This means you can often apply for checking accounts, savings accounts, and even certain credit cards or lines of credit without ever stepping foot inside a branch. The process is typically streamlined and designed to be user-friendly. You'll generally start by visiting the official TD Bank website. From there, you'll navigate to the section for opening new accounts. They'll guide you through a series of steps, which will usually involve providing some personal information. This includes things like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number, or equivalent identification if you're not in the U.S. You'll also likely need to provide details about your employment and income. One of the key advantages of applying online is the ability to upload necessary documents digitally. Instead of making photocopies or bringing original documents to a branch, you might be able to simply snap a picture with your phone or scan a document and upload it directly to their secure portal. This could include proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of address, like a utility bill. Of course, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While many individuals can open an account entirely online, there might be certain situations where a visit to a branch is still required. For example, if you're a new customer and your identity can't be fully verified online through their automated systems, or if you're opening a more complex type of account, they might ask you to come in. Additionally, there could be specific account types that aren't fully available for online opening. It's always best to check the specific account details on the TD Bank website to confirm. Another important point is funding your new account. While you can open the account online, you'll typically need to fund it shortly after. This can often be done through an electronic transfer from another bank account, a debit card transfer, or by mailing a check. TD provides various options for this. Ultimately, the ability to open a TD account online offers a significant level of convenience and flexibility, aligning with the modern banking experience. It empowers you to take control of your financial future from virtually anywhere, at any time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.